Hi everyone and welcome to Beautiful Within. So as you all know, we are close to touching 400 of subscriber friends on our channel Beautiful Within. I'm really thankful to all of you, each one of you, for your love and support. I am around 2 months old to YouTube and soon I'll be touching 400, which is a huge number for me. Thank you very much from the bottom of my heart. Which now the 400 mark makes me think that soon I'll be touching the 500 subscriber mark, and I'm really excited for it, which is why it brings me to a giveaway. So as soon as I touch 500 subscribers, I will be giving away certain products to one of my subscriber friends. I wish I could actually personally send 500 of the gifts to 500 of you, but that is not possible logistically for me. So which is why I would be, one of my subscriber friends would be giving it as would be getting it as a token of my love. So I'll be showing you the products that I am giving. The first one is the Soul Tree makeup cleanser. As you all would know, I vouch by it, like I vouch for it. This is my holy grail. So one of my ladies would be getting this cleanser. The second thing that you would be getting would be the Fuchsia moisturizer. This is in the flavor orange and avocado. Now I don't know if I've told you or not, I was using it just before like my marriage as well, and it gave a very good glow to my skin, which is why I love it, which is why it's a personal favorite for me. So I was using it in lemongrass. This is orange and avocado. This is packed, so I've not touched it. This is a 50 ml bottle. And the third thing that I have is something which I got in my mesh bag. So if you've seen my mesh bag review, you would have seen a beautiful blue colored box in which there are blue colored Dior inspired earrings. I'll show the earring to you. So this is the earring that is there. I already have a lot of Dior inspired earrings, so I thought I'll include this in the 500 subscribers giveaway. So these are the three things: the Soul Tree cleanser, the moisturizer, and the box with Dior inspired earrings. All you have to do is first of all subscribe to my channel. Please do subscribe to Beautiful Within. And secondly, so this is open only for my subscribers, only if you're a subscriber you can win it. And secondly, you have to comment on this video down below and tell me which was your favorite video among all the videos that I've posted and why. Give me a reason for it. And I will announce the winners as soon as I touch 500, or as soon as we touch 500 as a team. So if let's say it happens tomorrow, the giveaway winner will be announced tomorrow, which is highly unlikely, but hoping against hope. So this is the giveaway. Please do participate in it. It'll mean a lot to me. It's a small token of my love to all of you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for all the love, support and encouragement. Do participate in the giveaway and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.